And next we're going to do here is I'm going to type in sudo space vi /etc/apache2 /site enabled /zabbix.com. So we're going to edit the file. Now the location we need to edit is one which is to do with the language or whichever you want to put it. So I'm just looking for it. Right, yeah, for the time zone. So history, value, date, time zone. Yeah, here it is. So as you can see, it's already highlighted in blue, so it's great. Grayed out if you want to put it. You're going to press escape and I, so it gives you permission to actually type, delete it. You're going to go right to the end, delete this part here. You just type in London, and then as I said, you're going to press escape, and then you're going to press the shift and colon, like Q, save and exits, and then you're going to do the sudo service apache to restart. And it says everything's okay. So that will indicate, of course, that now, of course, that the Apache is actually configured. Now, if I were to go into the IP address of 192.168.164/zabbix, as you can see, that's loaded up the setup of Zabbix itself. So you just going to go to next, and it gives you like a brief. So just click on I agree, click on next. This will give you like the license agreement, everything like that. So you're just gonna check everything there. Just click on next, and then MySQL localhost. So basically, you can keep it as localhost if you want to. I basically, which is easier. Name user root. You could change the root. So I mean, I can put actually what I'll do is I'll just do that as localhost. The name is zabbix user. You can change it, and then enter your password. So it says here it's failed. So something is definitely working here. Right. Admin in the course of this let's just go right, we'll test it later. Right, use default port 0. Right, so there's no port. Right, so right, okay, so I have to create the database number and set the configuration parameters. Right, okay, so I have to create a table. Right, let's just go connect, so we can go down. Okay, so database, let's go for service region, blah blah blah. Right, okay, so we have to create the database manually. Now in version 1.8 it doesn't create the database for you automatically, so you have to manually create it. The latest version, which is 2.2 and as far as I know 2.4, it does a database for you. So I'm just going to create a database for it. So it's going to be sudo space mysql dash mysql space -u space root space -p, and then this will basically take me to the database, whereby here I can create the database for zabbix. So what we're going to do here is to create database zabbix. Let me just do semicolon center, and that's saying everything query okay, etc. So that's the database created. So we'll just try again. So I said we created the database and everything. I'm just gonna test the connection. So database name is Alex. And oh, so this is saying it's the folder. So which is serial message. Most connections are needed. Right, okay, so as you can see, I've had to create a database for zabbix on version 1.8. I've had to grant permission because after creating database it's saying it doesn't like it. So I've had to use grant all privileges on star space dot space star 2 remote, which is the user of course, and it's saying it's okay. And basically if I can exit or quit, whichever one it is, and that should be that. We'll then go back to here, test it, because this is what let's just confirm admin projects still doesn't like it for some kind of reason. Let's go up to this one. Right. Okay, this is something concerned. Connection. Right, so this is the same thing. Let's access the user admin at localhost, but it would be because I've changed that. Okay. User browser included PHP. Right, so this is a error database and selecting unknown database view. So, so now it looks like Alex. So as you can see, now it's working. Looks like it doesn't need a password, which is surprisingly enough, doesn't make sense. So go to next. This is where, of course, it uses port 100, so you can change the local host. And I said I'll change to the IP address of the server, and name, just call it remote, just call it zabbix, address, port number, as well as the name of the installation optional, so you don't need to. Click next. As you can see here, it's the database name is zabbix. Database uses remote, no password, etc. You can create a password if you want later on. And then configuration, it says, right, we try. Right, so user share, please install, configure, and manually fix permissions on the directory. So user share zabbix conf zabbix /. So what we do here, copy that, just copy it, Control-C, go back into the terminal, and then use sudo, let's just say sudo ch 755, just do that, and there we go. User share, says that the file doesn't exist. Yeah, sorry for the disruption there, but as I said initially, I'm just going to go back and see what I've just done here. So it's giving me information regarding SQL, localhost, zabbix, uses remote, no password, the IP address, etc., the port number you need. So I'm just going to click on next. It says everything's okay, configuration's okay. If you get an error regarding configuration file, you can either FTP and then copy across, which is what I did, and then basically just click on next. I can say congratulations, successful, just click finish, and this is a zabbix. So basically log your name,